Hey there! Ever needed to grab a quick screenshot in Chrome? Maybe capture an entire web page from top to bottom? Let me show you the easiest way to do it. So here's the thing. There's this super simple extension called Capture Full Page, and honestly, it just works. What makes it great? Well, you can screenshot just part of your screen or capture a full scrolling page in one go. It handles those tricky repeating elements perfectly, comes with both light and dark themes, and saves everything right to your downloads folder. Plus, and this is important, everything stays local on your device. No cloud uploads, no privacy concerns. Just simple, reliable screenshots. You can grab it from the Chrome Web Store. I've dropped the link in the description below. Give it a try